Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make a sphere logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First we have to create a circle. After creating a circle, we have to convert it to path. Now we have to set the size. I am choosing 100 into 100. 100 into 100. This circle in ratio, and I am using some transparency for this one. Now duplicate it and select this one and need more transparency for this object and lock this object. Now select this one and snap this. Change the color of this circle and enable snapping option and snap these two circle. Now duplicate newly created circle and set the size. Now we have to create 4 circle with different size. So let's start the resizing the first circle. So I am choosing this size for this circle, 48 into 48. Now snap the circle to the center from right side. Snap exactly with center point. Before snapping, must enable snapping option and duplicate this one. After duplicating, change the size of this circle. Now snap these two circle like this. I think this is okay now, and select these two and duplicate it. Change the color for this circle and set the size. Resize the circle. I am choosing this size. Now select this one and change the size of this circle. So now select this one and duplicate it. Now carefully select only these two small circle from the center and hold down shift key and select the big circle. Now go to the shape builder tool and delete this shape like this. Now go to path and click on union. So now we have a new shape like this, and we have to delete these nodes from the center. Select these carefully and delete these. Now this is okay. Now select this one and snap with fig object. Snap the center point of the big circle. Now select this one and snap this circle like this. Center point of the big circle. Now select this and this only. Select only these 3 objects and go to the shape builder tool and delete these objects. Now go to path and click on union. Change the color of this circle and now select this one and remove the transparency. Now select this object and we have to delete some unwanted node from the center of this object. Select carefully and delete it. This is okay now. Now select this object and change the color of this object. And use the radial gradient for this object. Edit the gradient. Select this node and change the color. Edit the gradient. Now select this small object and use the gradient again. Resize the gradient. I am resizing the gradient node and select only these nodes and change the color. Change the color. I think there is some unwanted object with green object, so we have to remove it. Delete this object. Now we have to create another object to remove the extra object from the green object. I think this trick will not work, so we have to create a shape. Now select with green, go to path and click on difference. This is okay now, and select only these two and duplicate it. After duplicating, flip horizontally and vertically and snap with the circle like this. Now delete the object from the bottom. Select it carefully and delete it. Now select these object and ungroup it. Now select the green one and send to bottom. So we have created our basic shape. Now we can modify this object. I think this is okay now. And apply some transparency for these all object, and you can see the result. Or you can make some shade for these object. So we have completed our logo. I know you can make better than me. Please try with your own color combination. I know you will make it, and thank you for your support. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.